Ever wondered how some people make money while they sleep? How they earn without actively working? Well, the secret isn't hidden in a magic potion or a lucky charm. It's all about passive income. You see, passive income is a revenue stream that continues to pay you even after the work is done. It's like a tree you've planted that keeps bearing fruit long after you've stopped watering it. Sounds dreamy, right? Now imagine marrying this concept with investing. That's right, passive income investing. It's a strategy where your investments work for you, creating a continuous flow of income even when you're not actively managing them. Consider this as your ticket to financial freedom. It's the key to building wealth without being tied down to a 9-to-5 job. It's the possibility of sipping margaritas on a beach while your investments rake in the money. Passive income investing opens the door to financial freedom and the potential for a more relaxed and fulfilling lifestyle. Passive income investing is a strategy of earning income automatically with minimal daily effort. Now that we have piqued your interest, let's dive deeper into the world of passive income investing. Picture this: you're on a beach, soaking up the sun, while your investments are diligently working for you, generating income without any active management from your end. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's what passive income investing is all about. At its core, passive income investing involves putting your money into assets that consistently generate income over time. The beauty of this strategy is that it doesn't require your constant attention or involvement. Your role as a passive income investor is to smartly choose the assets, make the initial investment, and then sit back and watch as your investments generate income for you. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of assets are we talking about here? Well, there are several types of assets that fit the bill. Let's start with one of the most common ones: real estate. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income with minimal effort once the property is rented out. Then there are dividend stocks. When you invest in dividend stocks, you essentially become a partial owner of the company. As the company profits, so do you in the form of dividends. The best part is that these dividends are typically paid out on a regular basis, which means a consistent inflow of cash for you. Peer-to-peer lending is another great example. In this model, you act as the bank, lending money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest payments. This can be a very lucrative source of passive income, especially with platforms that facilitate these transactions and reduce the risk involved. In essence, passive income investing is about smartly investing in income-generating assets and letting them do the work for you. So, are you ready to make your money work harder so you don't have to? Ready to dive into passive income investing? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, let's look at what passive income investing is all about. It's an income strategy that promotes earning money from investments that require little to no daily effort to maintain. The beauty of passive income investing is that it can free up your time, allowing you to focus on what you love doing while your money works for you. Step 1 in your passive income investing journey is to do your homework. Research is key. Equip yourself with knowledge about the various types of investments that can generate passive income. These could include dividend-paying stocks, real estate investments, peer-to-peer lending, or even creating a blog or YouTube channel. Each of these assets has its own set of risks, rewards, and requirements, so it's important to understand these before making a decision. Once you've done your research, step 2 is to select the right assets. This selection process should be guided by your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time commitment. For instance, if you're looking for a steady income stream with lower risk, you might opt for dividend-paying stocks. If you're willing to take on more risk for potentially higher returns, real estate investing might be a good fit. The third step is to actually invest in your chosen assets. This might mean buying shares of dividend-paying stocks, purchasing a rental property, or setting up a peer-to-peer lending account. There's a wide range of platforms and services available to help you do this. Remember, the goal is to set up income streams that require minimal ongoing effort on your part. Step 4 involves regularly monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Even though we're talking about passive income, this doesn't mean you can just set it and forget it. Regular check-ins are necessary to ensure your investments are performing as expected. If they're not, you may need to make adjustments. This could involve selling underperforming assets, diversifying your portfolio, or reinvesting your earnings. The final step is the most exciting one. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Once your investments begin to generate income, you can use it to fund your lifestyle, reinvest it to grow your wealth, or even donate it to causes you care about. The choice is yours. Remember, passive income investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires upfront work, patience, and a willingness to learn. But with the right approach, it can be a powerful tool to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. A few additional tips to keep in mind: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk. Also, keep an eye on costs. High fees can eat into your returns over time. And finally, don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. Stay focused on your long-term goals and stick to your plan. Following these steps will put you on the path to building a solid passive income investing portfolio. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating a lifestyle that allows you to enjoy your time in freedom. So are you ready to dive into the world of passive income investing? Let the journey begin. Let's recap the key points to remember in passive income investing. First and foremost, passive income investing is not a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. It requires regular monitoring and adjustments to ensure you're on the right track. While it may not demand the daily attention of active investing, it still calls for periodic checks and balances. One of the cornerstones of passive income investing is diversification. It's the classic "don't put all your eggs in one basket" approach. A diversified portfolio spreads your investments across different asset classes and sectors. This way, you're reducing the risk of a single investment dragging down your entire portfolio. It's a safeguarding strategy that helps to balance out the highs and lows of the market. Risk management is another key point that cannot be overstressed. Investing is inherently risky, but that doesn't mean you should throw caution to the wind. It's essential to understand your risk tolerance, the amount of risk you're comfortable with, and to invest accordingly. This might mean opting for safer, more stable investments if you're risk-averse, or going for higher risk, higher return options if you're more risk-tolerant. Your risk tolerance should guide your investment decisions and help you build a portfolio that you're comfortable with. Lastly, the importance of patience cannot be overlooked. Passive income investing is a long-term game. It's about building wealth over time, not making a quick buck. It's about the power of compounding, earning returns on your returns, which takes time to work its magic. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay the course, be patient, and let your investments do the work. Master these key points, and you're well on your way to achieving successful passive income investing. Passive income investing is a journey, not a destination. As we draw this enlightening exploration to a close, let's reflect on what we've learned today. Passive income investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience, consistency, and a keen eye for opportunities. It's about building an income stream that works tirelessly, even when you're off the clock. This journey may seem daunting, but remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and that first step is to start. It's never too late to begin your passive income investing journey. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio or a novice taking the first steps into the world of investing, the potential rewards are worth the effort. So, as we wrap up, let's reiterate. The journey may be long, but the destination is worth it. Remember, the goal of passive income investing is to create an income stream that works for you even when you're not working. Start your journey today and reap the rewards tomorrow.